Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting a ceramic coat on Mrs. Cabbage's car. You know, it's always interesting when you have to put gloves on. Alright, first of all we've got to do this pre-clean on this to make it sure it's all clean before we put the ceramic coat on. Alright boys, that is a pre-clean done. We're just going to give it a quick once over and then we'll be able to get on with the rest of the ceramic coat. Now it's time to put the ceramic coat on, boys. Get it all over the car and wish me luck. Alright, so ceramic coat is done. We've just got to buff it out. And then we should be all fine and dandy. With this little mini buffer thing. Pretty edgy to be fair to it. That's adorable. There you go guys, the ceramic coat is done. It looks better. Put a little sticker on to say it's been done as well. The walk around for you. Now Mrs. Cabbage also said about cleaning the inside of the windscreen. So what I'm going to try is the wiper blade, windscreen, cleaner, and we're going to use it on the inside. So we're going to give it a go, see what happens, and we shall go from there. I'm hoping it works. If I'm honest with you, I'm hoping it works. If not, we've got a rag. Safety first. We sprayed it. We're going to wipe it and see if it works. Tell you what boys, we might be on for a winner, but I'm going to have to try it and see what happens. Go around this side and try it. But we're going to give it a go. We're going to go around this side and try it and see what happens. Success. So boys, we even cleaned the outside of the glass as well. Nice and clean, so that'll be alright. Is it all done? We cleaned the inside of the windscreen, all the other front screen and all the other windows. We've done the ceramic coat, so Mrs. Cabbage should be happy and fine with that. Let's hope so. Anyway, there we go. As it sits, as it stands. And these are all the stuff I've used. With a pink rag here as well. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. And remember guys, if Cabbage can, you can too.